Each and every one of you has the same shot at writing your fate. The first one to take my life gets my entire time it out however you want. Don't drag your feet, but also also don't rush it. Patience is key.
Witnessed, Eve is quite protective of me. So I would advise you all to be smart on how you make your move. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why not just take the gold and leave? Well, my friends, it's not that simple. You see, Eve has sealed off all exits. The only way out is to kill me. And you really want to get out, you have to come get digital key out my coat pocket. The digital key requires a password, and with that password you can exit building and unlock the truck outside to haul your wealth with you.
Oh, fuck, I really want to rip your eye out.
Fuck that move, I'm out. Out my way.
Fuck, I might as well get up and dye the labels, or Kendrick gonna kill me anyway.
Oh, and one more thing. Eve will be assisting me throughout this little game.
I'll handle the others.
Good luck.
요로시쿠 타노무.
Eve, how's my security? Do you see these guys thinking they can handle you?
All systems functioning within parameters, sir.
You'll have to do better than that.